Hello and welcome to a new AZ video. Today I want to introduce a special and very successful product, the AZ PTF E-sleeve plug valve with its cavity-free properties. What is a plug valve? This is a valve with a conical plug which sits in a PTF E-sleeve. So far so good. The special feature and the great advantage compared to other valve type is that there are no cavities. Here you can see a ball valve with crystallized media in the cavity area. Because of that, the valve cannot be operated anymore, and in case of solids containing media, the sealing rings can be damaged. Back to the plug valve. Since the PTF E-sleeve encloses the entire plug, the sealing surfaces remain dry and protected from media. Therefore, the valve can withstand severe applications with corrosives, polymerizing or crystallizing media. All of this makes the plug valve a well-proven and very popular product, which will hopefully also inspire you.